Hello, today's max challenge. If cube root of 1 plus root x is equal to root of 1 plus cube root of x, then you have to find the value of x. So you are going to find in two ways, on short method and on a long method. So watch the video up to the end. So here, so the question is some logical question. That's why this is selected. As you are going to solve this, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, let solve this problem in the easy in the model 1, first model. So let us take cube root of 1 plus root x is equal to root of 1 plus cube root of x is equal to y. Now here what will get 1 plus root x is equal to y cube. The second case 1 plus cube root of x is equal to y square will get. Now here y cube minus 1 is equal to root x. In the second case, cube root of x is equal to y square minus 1. Now we can write x is equal to squaring on both sides y square minus 1 whole square. Here x is equal to cubing on both sides y square minus 1 whole cube. Let it be 1 and let it be 2. So both are equal to x. From 1 and 2 you can write it as y square minus 1 whole square is equal to y square minus 1 whole cube. Now if you expand this, y to the power of 4 y to the power of 4, sorry, here y cube is there, y cube, y to the power of 6 minus 2y cube plus 1 is equal to y power 6 minus 1 minus 3y square into y square minus 1. A cube minus b cube. A minus b whole cube formula you are using here. Y power 6 get cancel here. Minus 2y cube plus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 3y power 4 plus 3y square. So here we'll get 3y power 4 minus 2y cube, sending all the terms to one side, minus 3y square plus 2 equal to 0. So here you are doing some adjustment. 3y power 4 minus 3y cube plus y cube minus y square minus 2y square plus 2 equal to 0. Now here you can take 3y cube common, y minus 1. Here you can take y square common, y minus 1 minus 2 common, y square minus 1 equal to 0. If you observe here, y minus 1 is common. Y minus 1 into 3y cube plus y square minus 2 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Here you can write it as y plus 1 into y minus 1. A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square. Now, again this will get 2y plus 2. Again you are doing some adjustment here. 3y cube minus 3y square plus 4y square minus 4y plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So here you'll get y minus 1 into 3y square common y minus 1 plus 4y common y minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. So here you can take y minus 1 common. So you'll get y minus 1 whole square into 3y square plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. From this you can write y minus 1 equal to 0 or 3y square plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Now here you'll get y is equal to 1 or you'll get y is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 24 by 6. So here you are getting imaginary y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of. So here you'll get minus 8 by 3. So here you can write sorry, here 4 only. We'll take common. So this can be written as minus 4 plus or minus here you can write 2 root 2y 2y root 2 by 6. So here you can write it as minus 2 plus or minus root 2i by 3. So it is imaginary. So here if you substitute the values, only y is equal to 1 satisfy both the equations. X is equal to y square minus 1 whole square. 1 square minus 1 will get 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the required solution. Now we'll go to second method. Now, can you do this problem in another easy method? So here it is taking more than 5 minutes. So here the other method is rising to the power of 6. If you rise to the power of 6, cube root of 1 plus root x whole to the power of 6 square root of 1 plus cube root of x whole to the power of 6. This is the short method. So here you'll get 1 plus root x whole square is equal to 1 plus cube root of x whole cube. So here you'll get 1 plus x plus 2 root x is equal to 1 plus x plus 3 cube root of x into 1 plus cube root of x. So here let us cancel these two. Let us take 2 root x as u. So here what will get cube root of x. Sorry, cube root of x as u. So here we'll get 2u power 3 by 2 is equal to 3u into 1 plus u. So here cubing on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 2u cube is equal to 9u square into 1 plus u whole square. So here you can take u square common. 9 into 1 plus u square minus 4u equal to 0. So here 4u cube will get a. Now u is equal to 0 or 9u square plus 14u plus 9 equal to 0 has no positive solution. Imaginary will get a. So the only real root or real solution, the only real solution is u is equal to 0. Cube root of x equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching Ayaan Easy Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. I believe this information was valuable. If you think so, please do consider subscribe. Thank you.